Alright guys, in today's video we're gonna have an overview of our secondary toolbar and the two different sections of it that we get. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back into the program here. So now in today's video, like I said, we're going to be looking at the secondary toolbar. So we've looked at the primary one before, which is this big one on top here, and this is where all your main operations will be happening. Now the secondary toolbar is this one you can find under it. As we can see, currently most of it is grayed out except for a few key items. Now this toolbar is normally used for editing or more advanced type editing of parts and shapes. But there is, like I say, two parts to it. So the first half is about up to here somewhere, and that will be controlling your normal shape editing or transformations. That'll be like basic movements and so forth. In the second part here we have a part which is more about the cam editing. So if you want to go more individual editing on the actual flow and so forth, then we'll be using that. So if I had to click a shape here, you can see the first half here lights up and all the operations for this shape becomes available. So we can do some basic editing and navigation or transformations to this shape. Now if I had to click on cam over here, you will see that those ones are now grayed out, and now all the ones on the right is available. So this will be a bit more advanced. I don't think we've covered cam too much just yet. We will definitely go into more detail when it comes to the actual editing of these shapes. But yeah, so otherwise, just a quick recap. Our secondary toolbar is normally used for editing parts and shapes. And we've got two sections. We've got one section that's more like the overall transformation of those shapes. And then we've got the more advanced side, which is more relative to when it comes to the actual cutting and camming and so forth. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the overview on the actual secondary toolbar. In the future videos, we're going to be going into more depth on all these settings and how to use them. And then hopefully at the end, I'll show a few practicals and how to combine them in actual workflow. But yeah, otherwise in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.